In this video, the driver of this car is speeding, loses control, and hits the side of a pole. The car gets shredded. These two guys in there look like they're still alive, thankfully, but definitely a bit dazed. That's pretty powerful impact. I'm not sure why they lost control. They're definitely speeding, which is number one reason for accidents happening. The majority of accidents involve speed. There's no reason for this to have happened had he just been driving properly and not speeding. So don't speed. Don't do things like this. I understand, especially if you're in a fast car or you're on a fast bike, it's tempting to speed. Just twist the throttle and you're flying. But save it for the track. In the street, it can take minutes, 5, 10, 30 minutes for help to show up, whereas on the track, you have paramedics on site. And some places even have a helicopter on site to airlift you to a hospital if you need it. So save speeding for the track. Don't be like these idiots over here and almost die. If it had landed a little bit further, it would have probably wiped both of them out, but thankfully it hit the back of the car. So they were both okay, but this is a very close one. Hopefully they learn from this and don't speed. And this is also another reason why you should be very careful whose car you get into. Do you really trust this person with your life? Because whenever you're in a car, your life is at stake. Whenever you're driving with passengers, your passengers' lives are in your hands. Take it seriously. People die every day from car accidents. So don't be reckless like this. Be safe, be more responsible. Let's all take the precautions, be more vigilant.